Yeah, this is only laundry. Yes, love. Only laundry. Yeah, it'll make a paste right now. I'm about to start adding a bunch of laundry right now. I'm just trying to smoothen everything out and use this. Okay, same with this. I got my two boats in the front. This one, this one, and this one. This one too right there. Start with some Ariel. I think there's a sponge there. Okay, that's the Ariel. Should we do baking soda too on top? On this one, let's do this other bag of Ariel, Floral. Let's do a bag of Roma. I'm sorry if I'm going slow. I just want you guys to enjoy like me. Some arcoiris. We're doing layers right now. Let me get the baking soda. Let's see. Baking soda. Thank you. I just haven't squeezed in a long time. Honestly, I'm enjoying it. So that was baking soda. This is Blanca. Hopefully I don't drop it. And I'm in the right there. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Yes, only laundry. And baking soda. Thank you. Who is that? Thank you, Minnie. This is so bomb. Thank you. If you are new here, thank you for joining. Hit that follow. It's gonna start burning my skin as soon as I add Tide and Arm & Hammer. I'm gonna wear my gloves because Arm & Hammer eats up my hands, my skin. Can somebody write down all the liquids we added? So it smells so delicious. I'm doing this again for the summer. We'll do another fruit punch for the summer. But next time I'll make sure to add more ice. A bunch of ice in the pool with all this, the fruit liquids. No, ahorita no se están irritiendo. Ahorita ya en poco me voy a poner mis guantes. I can smell pineapple too. That pineapple liquid is strong. It smells good. Charisma has like a baby smell. Look how pasty it's getting. I'm gonna do like a pina colada next when I go live again. So I'm gonna use the coconut Lysol with some pineapple fabuloso. Lala, are you still in here? Just making sure you're here with me. Oh, thank you, Lala. Yeah, she's in here. No more powder. I'm sorry, no more powder. But if you want to sell me out, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 dish soaps, 4 dish soaps. I'm Penelin, but my powder is gone. The powder is all gone. Sorry, my love. So 28 to sell out. $38 to sell out. Oh wait, which one is it? It's 12 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 5. I'll send 3 towards the 28. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Money train. Yes, this is what I wanted. Thank you, Kathy. Yeah, I'm gonna recycle this. I could use this for laundry. Cause we are not adding any comment. Okay, let's go. Let's continue. Now that we have a paste. Thank you, Kathy. Wait, so what's the balance then? It's 38 to sell out minus the 3. So it's 35 to sell out. Okay, perfect.